Alright, what's going on guys? T Torres back here for another video. So in today's video we're going to be changing the oil in the Honda Navi for the first time. On page 45 of the owner's manual it does say 6 months or the first month of ownership, and of course I've owned the bike a little over a month now and we have about 143 miles on the bike. So we're going to go ahead and drain the oil, and there is a screen that we also need to check for to see if there is any shavings in the filter screen itself. All right, and just another admin note, we're going to be using about 800 milliliters of oil. As you can see here, we have a logo t-shirt, like a pocket tee. I'll throw an example up on the screen now. I have a limited order of 30 shirts. So I'm going to see how the first 30 do with selling those. I should have them sometime next week, and they'll be available for purchase. So comment down below if you'd be interested in rocking a T Torres shirt. They won't be a pocket design like this, but it'll be over here on the left chest breast is what they call it. So comment down below and let me know if you guys would be interested in buying a t-shirt to help support the channel. So yeah, let's get into today's oil change. This is the oil we are going to be using in today's video. It is 10W40 and it's made by Bel-Ray. Alrighty, so first things first, let's locate the oil bolt. It is right here. Already got it loose a little bit, and it is a 12 millimeter. Let's go ahead and pull this bad boy out. Okay. Let that drain all the way, and then we'll go ahead and pull the dipstick as well. Let me get some air in there. Oh, and another cool thing I bought a Dragy off of Amazon, so we'll be able to get some true 0 to 30 speeds, 0 to 60 if it can do 0 to 60, and you know, we'll do some top speed runs to see how the bike does. I've never owned a Dragy before. I took the Grom out yesterday and used it, and it seems pretty cool, and it is extremely accurate. And I found out the Grom's probably like 1 mile an hour off from what the Dragy said. So I'm going to go off what the Dragy says because it is connected to satellites. So let's let that drain. All right, all the oil is now drained out of the bike. Make sure when you install your oil plug back that you make sure that the washer is still on the oil drain bolt itself. So now we're going to move over here to the other side, and then over here there's another bolt right there if the camera will focus. It is spring loaded. There's going to be a little spring that comes out, and then you're going to have your filter screen. It is going to come out as well. And if there's any shavings and stuff on, I'm going to take some brake parts cleaner and spray that bad boy out and throw it back in there. Alright, let's get this bad boy off. I had loosened it already off camera. So be careful, like I said, it is spring loaded, so it may go somewhere. Oh yeah, I can feel the spring wanting to turn back on me. Okay, here's the spring. Like I mentioned, right there. Okay, gonna go like that, and then here is the screen itself. Now it does have some shavings on it and some guck. So, like I said, I'm gonna take some brake parts cleaner and go spray this thing off and get it cleaned up. All right, got this bad boy all cleaned it. Just go ahead and put the screen back in there. Just like so. Okay, we'll get this started. Oh man, it is extremely windy out. I think we're gonna have some rain coming here for too long. Come on, focus. Okay, go ahead and tighten it, bad boy. How many miles do you guys have on your Navi already? I don't even remember how much I told you I have. Yeah, I'm sitting right at 143, and I'm probably a month and a half into ownership. So, and I think the book says, let me look at the book. Oh, when it says, I got oil on my finger. I think it's page, what did I tell y'all, 45? Page 45. Let me focus in right here. See right there, it says initial 600 miles or 1 month, and then every 2,500 miles or 6 months is when you want to change the oil. All right, let's get this bad boy filled up with oil. Like I mentioned, it comes out to be like 804 milliliters, but I think we're just gonna do about 800 milliliters. Okay, got the bike filled up with the correct amount of oil, check the dipstick, and I just realized as I was pouring some oil in there, it was actually leaking back down just because it's a very, very small hole diameter where the oil has to go back into. So just be careful and be slow and patient with it. And yeah, you won't have that issue that I had. So let's go ahead, put the bike back up on the center stand, and let the bike warm up. All right, let's fire the bike up. This is a super simple thing to do on maintenance. Just remember, like I said, 600 miles, our first month of ownership. Man, I cannot wait for them to come out with another exhaust for this thing. Bike get good and warmed up. And like I mentioned, I'll have a link down in the description to the oil and brake parts cleaner and all the sales that come from that Amazon link. Like I said, it does go back to the channel. So if you guys do happen to buy something off Amazon, I get a little kickback and it all comes back to the channel, and I would greatly appreciate that. We also there's been some controversy on the forums about putting this LED headlight in the halogen housing, so I'm still going to wire it up from AC to DC and put this LED light in there because, for one, I can't stand the flickering of the headlight, and we'll see about the LED. So that is going to do it for today's oil change video. Just a little how-to. Just wanted to show you guys how to do that. And like I mentioned, if you're interested in checking out a t-shirt, have about 30 of them on order. I should be picking them up next week. And if you're interested in getting one, please comment down below. Let me know that you're interested so I can get a feeler for how many I'm actually going to sell, etc. So with that being said, thank you all. To all my new subscribers and to all my OG fans, thank you all so much for sticking with me in the channel. I know a lot of this stuff was derived from Type R content. We had Duramax content, and the bike just died. She didn't want to cooperate. So anyways, I just thank you all sincerely from my bottom of my heart for sticking with me into this channel. We got a lot of exciting stuff coming to the channel. But anyways, enough of me rambling on. So thank you all for stopping into the channel. Make sure you leave this video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, turn on your post notifications, and I'll catch y'all in the next video. Peace.